7 a.m. Sunday, March 17th, 2024. Obvious indication that police intentionally prevent simple solution to 7-year problem, persistent 911 calls of my mom daily, which is a violation of code. 5 different attempts I've had of getting the name of the judge who dismissed that case they filed against my mom 7 years ago. They filed that case and the judge dismissed it based on a lie that I was pressured to make, that we're gonna sell the house and move. Well, at the time I didn't know mom's not going to, but we had indicated we would sell the house and go. And 7 years she has not. She said just last night another realtor called and said, your mom says she wants to come look at houses, but she doesn't. She keeps bringing realtors to sell her. She keeps calling for, that's her condition. And then so that Sergeant Vaz on that video, when I'm asking him about it, about the filing of that 911 abuse charge, he says it's your word against hers. How do you know her intention is false? She's been calling 7 years daily 911 that the neighbors have factory in residential area, and it's been proven she's wrong. The factory is downtown. Why do they prevent me getting access to the name of that judge? He right there, he says on that video, he says he may be dead by now, or he may be retired. Why do you prevent me from getting his name? On the very first attempt, the guy at the front desk just puts in my mom's name on the computer and that case pops up. And he says, I don't want to give you that name. I don't want to give it to you. Second attempt, he said, go to that room right there, which is the elder abuse guy is there. He will give it to you. Third attempt, the lady there I have on video hands me a yellow post-it note with the case number on it, and I have on video, I go to Van Nuys, and that case number is for the wrong case. That's the name that has no relevance, intentionally. Fourth attempt, they bring Sergeant Lafferty out to scold me, to discourage me from going there. Why? And then that one time the cop across the street, when I'm telling that to the cops, they say, well, that's a distraction. It's not. It could very well be the solution. Why do you keep preventing that judge finding out that mom didn't sell the house, didn't stop calling 911, brought all these realtors and didn't refuse to sign that listing agreement? And I put that on a sticky label and put it on the mailbox. They can peel it off. That the solution is when she calls 911 and tells them how to call my son, tell them this is violation of law. File that violation of the law, abuse of 911, and tell the judge when we're in front of the judge, instead of, you want to have sympathy for her for being elderly and have mental disorder, instead of fining her or jailing her, mandate her sign the listing agreement that's right there to sell the house and move out of the area. That would solve the problem, 7-year problem. I want an answer to this question. I want the name of that judge, and I want to know why you've prevented me from getting that name.